uh, cooperating with the Interpol is cooperating with the ICC. I think klaro naman na talaga yon, no? Sa atin lahat na yung pamahalaan talaga natin ang naghatid na sa ating Pangulo doon sa dito sa The Hague, sa ICC. Mambalikan ko lang yung concern ng mga pamilya, family members ng mga victims. Nakita niyo po ba si Pangulong Duterte? Alam na namin, 'di ba, na nag-iimbestiga, nag-i-interview ng witnesses. Alam namin kung sino, alam namin kung saan, pero wala siyang ginawa talaga. Pinabayaan niya because he was of the belief that as a Filipino citizen, the government will not cooperate once there is a formal investigation that will happen inside the Philippines or once there is a warrant of arrest. So wala talaga siyang ginawa sa mga witnesses, sa mga family members. Pangalawa, nakita nyo, kailangan siya itulak ng mga pulis para gumalaw. At kailangan siya itulak akyat ng eroplano. So, wala na siya physically magagawa sa mga family members at sa mga witnesses. Pwede ba siya mag-utos ng mga tao na, oh, on my behalf, gawin ito, gawin niyo yan? Pwede siguro, pero hindi niya ginawa noon. Ngayon pa ba niya gagawin? 'Di ba? Na nandyan na siya. And meron ng protection yung mga family members. Meron na silang protection ng ICC at meron silang protection ng Philippine government. Their fears are unfounded and hindi ganyan ang tatay ko. Kung ano man yung kailangan niya sagutin, sasagutin niya yan. Pero
Ma'am,
hindi siya magtatamper ng evidence. Kasi unang-una, wala naman talagang ebidensya. Hindi ko alam paano umabot ito sa isang kaso. At hindi siya makikialam sa witnesses dahil isa siyang prosecutor noon. At alam niya kung ano ang violation niya as a lawyer kung nagtatamper ka ng evidence at nakikialam ka ng witnesses. So, unfounded yung fears, walang basihan. Sinasabi lang nila siguro yan para, I don't know, huwag pabalikin ang Pangulo sa ating bansa. Bakit ayaw nila pabalikin? Well, meron silang they are in collusion with individuals, both in the government and outside of, from the private sector. They are in collusion with organizations who are against the former president because of his policies noong siya ay Pangulo. They are in collusion with people who want to stay in power, with people who want to totally erase political opposition, who want to question uh, the acts of government. So, sa tingin ko yan yun eh.
okay, last question, ma'am. So as part of the defense of the former president, is there any plan to like bring into like The Hague some witnesses for the former president?
I am not part of his legal team. Nandito lang ako kasi kailangan nila ng kausap sa labas. So kinakausap nila si Pangulong Duterte sa loob at kinakausap nila ako sa labas so that there is someone who will sign off on what was agreed upon with the client, no? So hindi ako part ng legal team. Uh, As I said, I am a Filipino citizen here helping the former president go back home. And I am